In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit captions in Clipchamp. Clear, accurate captions make your videos easier to follow, more accessible, and more engaging. So let's walk through the process from generating them to polishing their look. Start by importing your video into Clipchamp and dragging it onto the timeline so the editor knows which media you want to caption. With your clip selected and visible in the preview, look for the Captions button. Depending on your layout, it may appear as Captions, CC, Closed Captions, or Auto Captions, either on the video preview or in the property panel. Click that button, choose the language that matches your audio, and then select Transcribe Media to auto-generate captions. Clipchamp will analyze your audio and create a transcript with time-stamped caption segments. This may take a moment depending on the length of your video, but once it's done, you'll see the transcript populate in the panel on the right. Now, let's clean up the text. In the Captions or Transcript tab in the Property panel, find the generated transcript. Play back your video and follow along. When you spot a typo, a misheard word, or punctuation that needs improving, simply double-click the specific word or the entire line you want to change. Rewrite or delete words as needed, then continue reviewing. This is also a great time to standardize capitalization, fix names or terms, and ensure the timing feels natural with the spoken audio. Small edits here can greatly improve clarity and comprehension. Once the words are correct, customize how your captions look on screen. Click directly on a caption in the video preview. That selection opens text formatting options in the Property panel. In the Text tab, you can adjust the font size, alignment, color, and add a background, outline, or shadow. For readability, aim for high contrast between the text and your footage. A subtle background or outline can keep captions legible over busy scenes. You can also reposition captions by dragging them in the preview to place them at the bottom, top, or wherever works best for your layout. Keep them inside safe margins so they don't get cut off on different screens. If you've previously uploaded custom or brand fonts, you can select them here to keep your video on brand. That's it. Generate your captions, refine the text in the transcript, and style them so they're clear and on brand. With these steps, your Clipchamp captions will look professional and be easy for your audience to follow.